3-66 asks you to graph two equations on graph paper. The first one is x squared. So I've drawn a graph for the x and y axis, and I've made a table starting with -2 and going up to +2. If I multiply -2 times -2, I get +4. -1 squared is +1. 0 times 0, 1 times 1, 2 times 2. These are the same whether you're multiplying two negatives or two positives. So when I graph that, I get something that looks like this, and a quick sketch would make a curve that goes up on both sides. The second one, -x squared, means that I square it first and then I take the opposite. So I'm going to multiply -2 times -2, which is 4, and then make it the opposite. -1 times -1, and then make it the opposite. This is going to be -1, and this will be -4. So -1 will go down here, +1 will go down here, -2, +2, and this graph will go down something like that. The next question asks, what do you notice? Well, x squared points up, -x squared points down. D asks, for the graph of y equals x squared, estimate the x values corresponding to y equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 for y. The x values that would give me that are a little bit more than 2 and a little bit more than -2. Let's say, 2.4 or -2.4, somewhere along there. And then question E says, for the graph of -x squared, estimate the x values corresponding to y equals -10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if this keeps going, you're going to end up with a little bit more than +3 and a little bit more than -3. So I would say 3.2 or -3.2. And those are approximate values.